Alright, hey guys, here we go. Let's get this done. Alright, so just scroll down here. Live. And the time is 8:52 p.m. So here we go. We'll grab the list. Control copy, Control V. So just to make sure, Derek, Dennis, Eric, Dusty, Derek, Dennis, Eric, Dusty, all the way down to Derek, Dennis, Doug, and Eric. Derek, Dennis, Doug, and Eric. So how this works is we will roll the two-sided die. That will give us a number. We will randomize the list that many times. The top 5 names will get spots, as you can see here. First getting 5 spots, second getting 4 spots, third getting 3 spots, fourth getting 2 spots, and fifth getting 1 spot in the main. So, good luck. Here we go. So we've got 8. So we'll randomize this 8 times. Begin the giveaway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we've got Chelsea, Brent, Eric, Derek, and James winning spots. Congratulations. Down to here. Verification code is USDOP. Done. Let that post. Time is 8:54. So we will post this. And congratulations, guys. Thanks so much.